Hello, my name is George Hoppe. I'm a regional sales manager here at BAUER Compressors in Norfolk, Virginia. I'm proud to say an employee for 30 plus years. Today we are standing in the BAUER Technical Evaluation Center. BAUER uses the TEC, as we call it, to test our compressors mimicking climatic conditions from the frigid temperatures of Alaska all the way to the scorching temperatures of the Middle East. The focus of today's discussion will be the Legacy series of compressor purification systems. The Legacy series is unique in a couple of ways for BAUER. It's pre-built to stock on the proven Verticon platform, and it is built to a specific build platform with no deviation. This fixed build allows us to capture economies of scale and build the Legacy units in an efficient, cost-saving batch. The first thing I'd like to call your attention to is the integral base the Legacy is built on. This base eliminates guesswork and ensures correct placement and installation, allowing for unrestricted cooling airflow to the compressor and motor, as well as providing easy access for maintenance. We offer the Legacy series in two compressor outputs, 13 CFM powered by a 10 horsepower 230 volt single phase motor or a 208 volt three-phase electric motor, and an 18 CFM 15 horsepower version available in 208 volt three-phase electric. We chose the 208 volt on the three-phase offerings as it is the worst case scenario in terms of wire size, in that 208 volt requires the heaviest gauge wire. If you have 230 or 460, it's an easy field adjustment. Whereas if we built it to 230 or 460 volt, you'd need to rewire the system. Both compressor offerings feature the BAUER high-strength aluminum alloy crankcase compressor block, which provides superior cooling and heat dispersion than that of a similar block of cast iron construction. Just heat up an aluminum pan and a cast iron pan. Which one cools off first? The BAUER compressor design ensures that all cylinders, as well as coolers, both inter and after, are in the cooling air flow provided by the flywheel. The high number of fins you'll see on compressor cylinders create more surface area in the cooling air flow, therefore providing greater, more efficient cooling, which equates to less wear and longer service life. The inter and after coolers on the BAUER compressor block are of stainless steel construction. This not only provides greater strength and corrosion resistance, but also more efficient cooling due to thermal constancy. The crankshaft used in a BAUER compressor is made of nodular graphite iron for superior strength and durability, and is supported on both ends by long-life roller bearings. The connecting rods utilize roller bearings on the crank end and needle bearings on the piston end. This use of bearings throughout the construction helps with smoother, cooler, more efficient operation due to less friction and heat, thereby again adding to the service life of the compressor. The BAUER compressor features the use of a non-adjustable low-pressure oil pump, which is directly driven off the crankshaft. This will pump oil directly into the final stage, the hottest stage, of compression to provide cooler, more efficient operation, again leading to longer service life. BAUER also incorporates the use of a full flow oil filter with replaceable element. Integral to the crankcase is an ergonomic oil fill port, as well as an easy to read oil sight glass, which provides the operator instant verification of oil level without the mess of a dipstick. Part of the standard scope of supply on both versions of the Legacy will be an automatic condensate drain to automatically and sequentially drain the interstage and final moisture separators at a predetermined interval and duration, both of which are adjustable depending on your atmospheric conditions. The ACD, as we call it, also includes a muffler separator with an integral condensate reservoir to hold and store the accumulated condensate. Integral to the reservoir will be a float switch, which will alert the operator when it is time to drain the reservoir through the conveniently located spigot. Both compressor offerings will be equipped with purification systems. P2 purification on the Legacy 13 and P5 purification on the Legacy 18. Both systems will include BAUER's patented Securus purification cartridge monitoring system. Securus utilizes a sensor embedded in the drying media of the purification cartridge and gives the operator advance warning of and provides system shutdown upon purification cartridge saturation. Securus is unique in that it requires no warm-up or stabilization periods. Simply put, if the compressor is running, Securus is working. Securus, by being in and directly reading the condition of the media, allows the operator to achieve the absolute maximum purification cartridge life possible by eliminating the human element and any guesswork associated with temperature adjustments or calculations. The BAUER purification system utilizes high-strength aluminum alloy purifier chambers and a chromium steel final separator that does not require hydro testing. BAUER purification systems feature a 4-to-1 safety factor at the compressor's final working pressure. The legacy compressors are managed through an ergonomic compressor control panel, which we like to say back to basics simple, which includes a simple on and off switch. We have an analog hour meter integral to the NEMA 4 electrical enclosure and an emergency stop palm button. You'll also notice a set of flashing indicator lamps. The indicator lamps will flash a code to alert the operator to any warning or fault shutdown. An electronic CO monitor is available as an option for field installation or retrofit. I hope this overview of the BAUER Legacy series of compressors has been helpful. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with us at BAUER Compressors. Have a great day.